The demo opens on a secure FlowSense login experience built for jewelry retail teams. On the left, the product promise is clear. Every gram, every sale, and every operation is tracked in one connected system. On the right, users choose their role, sign in, and land in the workspace that matches their responsibilities. After login, the dashboard gives the owner a fast business snapshot across inventory, orders, revenue, and customer schemes. The trend chart helps you see whether gold value is moving up or down, while live metal rates keep pricing decisions current. This is the command center for understanding performance before taking action. The inventory screen turns stock into a visual searchable catalog. Teams can filter by category, purity, metal, or stone type, then review each item with weight, price, and availability right from the product card. From here, staff can quickly add items to a cart or update stock workflows without losing context. Stock transfers make movement between stores, counters, or departments fully traceable. Each transfer shows item details, quantity, weight, value, who requested it, the destination, and its approval status. This helps prevent missing inventory and keeps every branch aligned on where stock actually is. Stock adjustments capture the real-world corrections that happen in jewelry operations, from weight differences to damaged items or revaluation changes. Each entry records the reason, item, weight impact, price impact, user, and approval status. That creates an audit trail so inventory stays accurate without relying on informal notes. Tagging and barcode management connects physical jewelry pieces to digital records. Here, teams can track which items are pending, tagged, received, or ready for sale, along with category, purity, gross weight, tag price, and HUID information. This is what makes scanning, billing, compliance, and stock verification much faster. At the point of sale, staff can browse available jewelry with photos, filters, and item details designed for quick customer service. Selected pieces flow into the sale invoice panel on the right, keeping the transaction clean and visible. It gives sales teams the speed of a modern retail checkout while preserving jewelry-specific details like purity and weight. The cart summarizes selected items before billing, including item names, photos, metal specifications, weights, and prices. The order summary calculates subtotal, tax, and estimated total so the customer can review the purchase clearly. From here, staff can proceed to POS checkout or continue browsing without rebuilding the sale. For multi-store retailers, the Store Control Center shows branch-level performance in one place. Each store card highlights sales, stock value, active staff, and operational status, with quick access to dashboards or store management. Owners can compare locations at a glance and spot where attention is needed. The Karigar workflow tracks gold issued to artisans and the progress of manufacturing jobs. Managers can see pending gold, active jobs, issued vouchers, and artisan-wise balances in a structured table. This brings accountability to job work, reduces follow-up calls, and helps protect valuable material throughout production. Customer 360 gives the team a complete view of each customer relationship. Profiles include contact details, KYC status, lifetime value, purchases, schemes, and memo history. With this information available in one place, staff can personalize service and follow up with confidence. Gold saving schemes are managed with clear visibility into plan types, collections, installments, maturity dates, and customer balances. The screen supports recurring investment plans as well as flexible accumulation schemes. This helps retailers grow customer loyalty while keeping every deposit and redemption traceable. The URD Old Gold Purchase screen supports buying unregistered old gold from customers while maintaining compliance. It records voucher details, seller information, item description, gross weight, purity, deductions, net value, and status. Built-in reverse charge information helps the team understand the tax impact instead of handling it manually. Supplier purchase orders centralize planned procurement from registered suppliers. Teams can see expected dates, item counts, order values, tax amounts, and statuses such as sent, partially received, or closed. This keeps purchasing organized and makes it easy to match incoming goods against approved orders. Goods received notes verify what actually arrived against purchase orders. The table compares expected, received, accepted, and rejected quantities, along with inspection status and value. This ensures the business only books stock that has been checked and approved. Bullion purchases are handled separately for coins, bars, grains, and other bulk metal buys. The screen captures refiner details, metal, purity, form, gross weight, fine weight, rate, value, and GST. This gives finance and inventory teams a clean record of high-value metal procurement. Melting and refining workflows track old gold as it moves through recovery and refinement. Each lot shows gross weight, expected fine weight, actual fine recovery, recovery percentage, loss, and status. That level of visibility helps reconcile material value and measure refining efficiency accurately. The supplier ledger brings payables and purchasing history together in one view. For each supplier, teams can review opening balances, purchases, payments, current dues, aging buckets, and closing balance. This makes vendor follow-up and cash flow planning much easier. The Tax and Compliance Hub acts as a single checklist for GST returns, e-invoicing, e-way bills, and TDS or TCS obligations. Summary cards show due dates, pending actions, and tax values, so nothing important gets missed. It turns compliance from a last-minute scramble into a managed daily process. GSTR1 reporting summarizes outward sales and taxable supplies for the selected month. The screen breaks down invoices, taxable value, GST components, and HSN summaries in a format aligned with filing requirements. Export and file-ready actions help finance teams move from data review to submission faster. GSTR3B focuses on monthly self-assessed liability and input tax credit. The report separates outward supplies, eligible ITC, integrated tax, central tax, state tax, and cess values. This gives accountants a consolidated view of what must be paid, claimed, or reconciled. The e-invoice screen tracks invoice registration numbers for B2B and eligible transactions. Users can see which invoices are generated, pending, connected, or failed, along with customer GSTIN and invoice values. This reduces manual portal work and helps ensure compliant invoice issuance. The e-way bill section manages transport documentation for goods movement. Each record captures document type, route, transporter or vehicle, weight, value, validity, and current status. For jewelry and bullion logistics, this visibility is essential for avoiding delays and compliance issues. TDS and TCS tracking helps the business manage deductions and collections across purchases and sales. The table lists supplier details, PAN, section, purchase value, rate, deduction or collection amount, challan reference, and status. This gives finance teams a clean way to monitor tax obligations tied to high-value transactions. Reports provide consolidated business intelligence across sales, stock, GST, customer activity, schemes, and compliance. The visible day-wise sales register shows total sold value, gold sold weight, and invoice count by date. These reports help leadership move from operational data to practical decisions. The final screen brings us to the FlowSense demo request page, where prospects can share their details and schedule a tailored walkthrough. It reinforces the value of a connected jewelry management platform across inventory, sales, compliance, purchasing, and multi-store operations. Book your FlowSense demo today and see how smoothly your jewelry business can run.